Welcome to Woogwin's Reviews. The best travel bags is probably one of the most essential travel accessories for any trip, offering a convenient way to pack and transport your belongings. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a weekend adventurer, or simply someone who values organization, a reliable travel bag can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive into some of the top-rated collapsible travel bags on the market, helping you find the perfect one to suit your needs. Number 5. Samsonite Tote-A-Ton Duffel Bag. This is the Samsonite Tote-A-Ton Duffel Bag. It's designed for all your travel needs. It's spacious and durable, perfect for any adventure. The bag offers a generous amount of space while remaining incredibly lightweight. You can easily pack everything you need without being weighed down. This makes it ideal for both short trips and longer journeys. Built to last, this duffel bag is made from high-quality materials. It can withstand the rigors of travel, ensuring your belongings stay safe and secure. You can rely on it trip after trip. Featuring comfortable handles and a convenient design, it's easy to carry. When not in use, it folds up compactly for easy storage. It's the perfect travel companion. Whether you're heading to the gym or going on a weekend getaway, this bag has you covered. It combines style, functionality, and durability. Get yours today. What we like. This bag is incredibly durable, perfect for those who pack heavy. It's also lightweight and folds up neatly, making it easy to store when not in use. If you're looking for a reliable, spacious bag for various travel needs, this is a great choice. What people say. It's lightweight and compact enough that I could fold it up and keep it in my pack while hiking, but huge enough that I could throw my backpack into it along with all of my gear, and still have room to spare. This bag is huge, you can literally fit a person in it. The durable material is the same as the more expensive duffels with two sturdy handles to lift. There's outside pocket and inside pocket, too. Number 4. WANDF Spirit Airlines Personal Item Bag. This is the perfect personal item bag for your next flight. It's designed to meet Spirit Airlines size requirements. It's a great choice for travelers. The bag measures 18 by 14 by 8 inches, fitting perfectly under the seat. It's also foldable, making it easy to store when not in use. This feature provides great convenience. This versatile bag functions as both a travel duffel and a carry-on. It's ideal for weekend trips or overnight stays. It's a practical solution for your travel needs. This bag is designed for everyone. It's suitable for both women and men. It's a great travel companion for anyone. It offers ample space for your essentials. It's made from durable materials, ensuring it can withstand travel. You can rely on it for your journeys. What we like. Designed to meet airline personal item size restrictions, this bag is ideal for budget travelers. It folds up small, saving space when empty. If you are looking for a carry-on that maximizes space and avoids extra fees, you should consider this. What people say. The bag is very lightweight and folds up nicely for storage. It has a separate compartment for shoes, which is a great feature. The bag is made of durable, water-resistant material. Number 3. REDCAMP Foldable Duffel Bag with Wheels. Looking for a spacious travel companion? This duffel bag from REDCAMP is designed for your adventures. It offers ample storage and convenient portability. Available in multiple sizes, this bag can accommodate all your essentials. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a longer trip, it has you covered. When not in use, this duffel bag folds down for easy storage. It's a space-saving solution for your home or travel needs. Built to withstand the rigors of travel, this bag is made from durable materials. You can rely on it to protect your belongings. Featuring wheels, this duffel bag makes it easy to navigate through airports and train stations. It provides effortless transport for your luggage. This large travel duffel bag is perfect for all your travel needs. It is a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable and spacious bag. What we like. This bag offers a massive capacity, perfect for longer trips, and it comes with wheels for easy transport. The foldable design allows for convenient storage. If you have a lot to carry and want the convenience of wheels, this is the one for you. What people say. The wheels glide smoothly through airports, train stations, and ferry terminals, while the reinforced handles feel tough for van life. boats, and rugged outdoor adventures. It comes with straps that allow you to carry it like a backpack, which is really convenient when you need to have your hands free. Additionally, it has wheels on the bottom, so you can pull it around when you don't want to carry it. Its ample capacity, available in 3 different sizes, ensures that I can carry everything I need without any hassle. Whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended vacation, this bag has got me covered. The option to choose the size that suits my travel needs is a big plus. Number 2. Woogwin Travel Duffel Bag, large, foldable, waterproof. This is the perfect bag for all your travel needs. It's large enough to hold everything you need for an overnight trip, a day at the beach, or a workout at the gym. The bag is designed with a spacious interior. It can easily accommodate your clothes, shoes, and other essentials. When not in use, this bag can be folded up for easy storage. It takes up minimal space, making it ideal for small apartments or travel. Made from waterproof material, it protects your belongings from the elements. Whether you're at the beach, pool, or gym, it keeps your items safe and dry. This versatile bag is suitable for various activities. Use it for your beach trips, swimming sessions, sports activities, or gym workouts. It's your all-in-one solution. What we like. This bag is waterproof, making it perfect for beach trips or gym use. It's also foldable and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. If you like a bag that can handle wet environments and is easy to store, you should consider this. What people say. When it's folded, it becomes a tiny little pouch that's super easy to store anywhere. It doesn't take up any space or get in the way. But once you open it up, it turns into a surprisingly large backpack that fits everything: uniforms, water bottles, shoes, snacks, you name it. This bag held up great in the rain. Granted, it was only outside for a few minutes, but it got soaked, and my clothes were still dry inside. It held quite a bit of clothing: 4 pairs of jeans, 4 sweatshirts, 8 t-shirts, 2 towels, socks, underwear, a jacket, a pair of boots, a pair of flip-flops, my bedroom slippers, and I still had room for more. Folds inside itself and would be great for traveling. It is large. Number 1. Travelers Club 32 Midgard Rolling Travel Bag. This is the perfect travel companion for your next adventure. It's designed to make your travels easier and more organized. Need more room? This bag has you covered with its expandable design. You can easily pack everything you need for your trip. Built to withstand the rigors of travel, this bag is made from high-quality materials. You can trust it to protect your belongings. With its smooth rolling wheels and ergonomic handle, navigating through airports and hotels is a breeze. It's designed for effortless movement. The Travelers Club Midgard Rolling Travel Bag combines functionality with a sleek design. Get ready to travel in style and comfort. What we like. This rolling bag offers expandable capacity, giving you more flexibility when packing. It's designed as a rolling travel bag, making it easy to navigate through airports. If you are looking for a rolling bag with extra space, this is a great option. What people say. These are excellent for the price. They have been used for several international trips and have held up fine. It is very roomy, durable, stable wheels, looks just okay too. On the way back, this huge bag collapsed into a little light clean pack which fitted easily into my backpack. Already used it 3 times and don't know how I managed to travel without it before. Beau Grand Sac Solide ET Impermeable de 32 pouces de long N plus less zip ONT L Bon. Pochette sur le côté très pratique pour le camping ou les voyages. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.